How to set a battery charging limit on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create a charging limit on our Android device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you need to open up the main settings of your phone. After opening up your main settings, let's go and see how we can do it. So first thing is open up your settings and go to the search bar. After going to your search bar, just search for battery, or you may just look up in the settings of the main page. After that, you will be able to see battery and device care. Just tap on battery and device care. And you can see my battery right now. So I'm just going to tap on this battery section. So here you can see this protect battery. So what I'm going to do is just turn this on in order to protect our battery. So you can see right now it says to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%, which means if you turn this option on, from now on your battery will be charged to 85% only to extend the life of your battery. So this is how you can basically set a battery charging limit on Android. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.